Hey there, and welcome to Propel AI. I'm Martin. In today's fast-paced PR world, staying on top of your media performance isn't optional. It's essential. That's why I'm here to walk you through Propel's Analyze section. It's your all-in-one space to understand how your pitching is performing and how your coverage is driving real results. Let's get started. First, click on Analyze in the top navigation bar. The first tab you'll see is the account summary. This gives you a snapshot of pitching activity across one or multiple accounts. To focus on a specific account, just go to Accounts, type the name, and check the box. You can select more than one account at a time, and you can filter by pitching initiative and users as well. You can also set the time frame you want to view. On this screen, you'll find graphs for pitches sent, articles published, and pitching conversion rates. These are broken down by status like sent, opened, responded, and article published. At the bottom, you'll also see a table of all published articles. Next, head over to the Business Outcome tab. This tab will only be active if the account is connected to Google Analytics. If you need help with that setup, check out the playlist linked in the description. Here, you'll find metrics that show exactly how your PR efforts impact the business. Things like traffic from article backlinks, goal completions from coverage, and how those trends relate to spikes in traffic. It's a great way to see the real results your pitching is driving. Now, let's move to the Coverage tab. This gives you graphs and breakdowns of your coverage by campaign, pitching initiative, outlet tier, backlink presence, coverage type, and the number of articles published. The Activities tab gives you a quick view of your pitching workload, including active campaigns and any pending tasks. The Team Results tab is designed for managers and admins. It shows team performance with details like pitches sent, articles published, and conversion rates by team member. The Pitching Status tab gives you a snapshot of all pitch statuses across accounts, helping you see where things stand at a glance. Next is the Top Contacts tab. This shows which journalists are most responsive to your pitches and which outlets your team contacts the most. It's a great way to identify who to nurture and who to reach out to when timing is critical. And finally, the Insights report. This gives you an overview of your pitching impact with metrics like total articles published, average UMV of the outlets that covered you, total UMV, and average Moz score, which reflects domain authority. You'll also find trends like articles over time, publication breakdowns by outlet tier, and coverage with and without backlinks. One more thing to remember. You can download and share any of these reports with your stakeholders by clicking the Export button at the top of each tab. That's a quick tour of your Analyze hub. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how much clearer and more efficient your PR reporting becomes. For more tutorials and tips, check out our other videos or visit our website for additional support. Thanks for watching.